safe here. Just relax with me for a little while. This glass makes the sweetest little sounds, and the brush. Breathe with me, slowly. You're safe here. Just breathe with me. Soft little circles around the mic. Let the sound wrap around you. Gentle taps like falling rain. Relax, you're doing so well. Go. Take a slow breath with me. Let the day fall away. Listen to these soft little sounds. Glass, velvet, warm wood. And now the brush just like... Привет, я буду аккуратно расчесывать твои волосы. Расслабься и слушай. Вот так, медленно, сверху вниз, кончики. Отлично. С другой стороны, мягкая щетка снимает напряжение. Волосы становятся гладкими и блестящими. Еще немного. И последний штрих. Hi there, welcome. You can just relax here with me. I'll take care of all the little sounds for you, okay? Breathe in. And out. Good. I'm going to start with some gentle hand movements. Hi there, just relax, you're safe here. Listen to the little taps like raindrops. Now some gentle brushing, close your eyes if you want, soft and slow. Good, breathe with me, let the rain carry you off to sleep. Hello there, welcome to this little pocket of the forest. Just relax, listen to the birds. I'm gonna tap on this smooth stone for you. And then a little brushing with this dry leaf. Like that, gentle wooden taps, just let it melt. Hey there, welcome. You made it to the heart of the cave. Can you hear it? The low hum of the molten river. It's like the earth's own breathing. The rocks are glowing, almost alive. Little waves of fire rolling under the crust, sliding past each other so slowly.
Hey, you're here. That's good. Take a breath with me. Just let it all melt away. I'm gonna keep it quiet tonight. Listen to the rain and these little sounds, okay? Soft tapping and a gentle brush. And we can turn the page together. That's it. You're safe.
Hey, you're here. Let me get you comfortable. There, snug and warm. You did great today. It's time to rest now. Just breathe with me. I've got you. Sweet dreams. Amen.
Золото, теплое, плотное, блестящее, словно само солнце под твоими руками. Слушай, как оно дышит, гладкое и тяжелое.